Please don't fight. Don't fight me. Me, I don't want to be involved. I don't want to be involved, please. I don't want fight. I don't want fight.
Why are you taking video?
So that if they beat themselves, if the police come, they will not say we are the one. Hi. Guys, separate them, please. Separate them. What's happening? Hi, guys, chill. Why won't I take the video? If they will kill themselves. They will kill themselves. Hi, call the police. Where's the receipt?
How many all-stars are you here?
Hi, what? Hi! Hi, what's happening now? No, what?